another day to be grateful, hopeful, expectant, because it's life that I live. It's by the grace of God. I was craving beans and rice. Oh yeah, beans and rice yesterday. So I cannot cook it because it's late. I came back by 10.
Woke up by 5. Mommy is hungry. Ate grape to keep me stable. Beans is halfway ready. Food is getting easier to prepare.
And now, I just finished eating grape. As you can hear my tummy. We're still hungry, so I'm just here to chill off and wait for my rice and beans to get out so I can just mix everything together. And it actually now is 6:35. You can see how sweet it is when you speak to the Holy Spirit. I actually spoke to the Holy Spirit because I know that I might oversleep because I've been sleeping too much recently. And it's normal. I know I might not wake up early. Sometimes I even try waking up when I'm hungry, but it does not work. So I asked him to help me wake up early because I want to boil the beans and still add it in the rice. And definitely he did. So let's say before I start eating, that will be, let's say 7:15 because NSPD wasn't start. So I must be in the middle of NSPD and cooking, or in the middle of NSPD and eating. I know what I understand. And I have to go to work. Why? Because yes, my customer just sent in his money yesterday for gadgets he has been planning to get. And remember, I am your number one tech consultant. If you have any problems on how to buy gadget, what gadget to use, you can come to me. I will advise you kind of gadget you want to get as a starter. But if you're a pro, you want a pro quality, good mic, good lights, good tripod, good gimbal, the one I'm using currently, just send me a DM. I don't charge for that. Let's go back to the kitchen to check what we have there.
Focus! Focus! Focus!